Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Gemini wallet. First, navigate to the Gemini website or download their mobile app. You will then create an account by providing your email address and choosing a secure password. Make sure to use a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Immediately enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. After creating your account, the next crucial step is identity verification. Gemini requires this to comply with regulations and ensure security. You will need to provide personal details like your full name, date of birth, and address. Then, upload a clear image of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Finally, submit proof of address, like a recent utility bill, to complete the process. Once your identity is verified, you can fund your Gemini wallet. Navigate to the funding section and choose your preferred method, such as linking a bank account via ACH or using a debit card. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, keeping in mind any daily or weekly limits. Always double-check the details before confirming your transaction. Funds typically become available within a few business days for bank transfers. Maintaining the security of your Gemini wallet is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords for your Gemini account and any associated email. Regularly monitor your transaction history and account activity for anything unusual. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Gemini support immediately. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying secure and hydrated are both important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.